So I was going to film a Rock War Generation battle first, but I found something even better. It's time that we unbox this. So I think we've all seen it before by other channels. I know I'm late to the game, but here's the Riptide launcher. It has a recolored Fornius, which looks really cool compared to the original. Like, I kind of wish that was a Fornius. I'm probably going to be using that one more. The guard driver looks really nice. The shark launcher has a power gauge. Let's go to the back. You can see it just says Fornius. It has the blue stadium there. Same thing, power gauge. Yay, okay. So now, to the actual part of the video that we came here for, which is the unboxing. So, I'm not going to be, like, officially unboxing this. Like, getting, like, a knife and cutting out the parts in the vision. Okay, so, here it is. First thing I noticed is the ripcord. It might just be made, it kind of looks like a gun. Like, I feel like it's like a gun. Like, boom, boom. Okay, anyway. It has two sides on it. I don't know what that means. Now, one thing I've been worried about with this launcher is how it's going to be put in. Oh, okay. So I thought for the longest amount of time that this launcher was going to be a terrible launcher. I thought that it's just going to be really bad because there's no way to put it in. But it's actually hidden underneath. Now, first of all, there's a QR code. And then it's actually hidden underneath. So you have right spin, which is... I don't really know which one's right spin. I think that's... Oh, yeah, okay, it tells you. So that's right spin. So right spin goes like that, and then you have left spin on the other side. Yeah, so L and R. So it's in right spin mode. It actually doesn't feel that bad. Now, I mean, it's meant to be held like this, obviously, but I'm a righty, so it's going to be held like this. The power gauge, it's pretty cool. I like the idea. I would like it if it reset. And it seems that I'm getting weak. I don't know which one's the stronger ones. I think I'm getting weak launches. No, I think it's powerful launch. Let me see something. Here. So, this is just going to be a really weak launch. Didn't move. Okay. I'm going to try going for a powerful launch. Didn't move either. I don't know how responsive the gauge is. So, that's something to look out for. It does have a little bit of mode change. This, I do like that. I like that. It's a little bit of extra grip. Okay. Next up is Fornius. So let me just pick out the driver. Check out the driver, because the driver is the least interesting bit in this entire set, in my opinion. Here's a driver. It's a yard slingshot, like always. It's big and it spins. It's the same thing. Now, I already have this part. It's not the best, in my opinion, but it's not the worst driver. The slingshot. Okay, next up is Zero Disc. Now, this is actually a pretty cool disc. I really like it because of the weight it gives. And then finally, the second coolest part of this set, apart from the launcher, has gotta be Fornius. Fornius Beyblade layer. Like, if this just came with the layer, if it was at a lower price, I would still get it. Because this is absolutely amazing. Like, this layer is everything I need in Hasbro layers. It is unique, it's interesting, and I like the colors a lot. There we go. Okay, I ripped it out. So here's the layer. The layer looks really nice. Like, I really wish this was my Fornius. Okay. Well, it is my Fornius now. Okay, so let's just... Ooh, slopes are nice. This looks nice. So let's compare this to the old Fornius. Now, one thing taking away metal did allow to do is to have the colored metal a little... Like, colored metal a little better. Now, this is a good way to start off sharply. But, let's put it on the launcher. Okay, let it rip. The launcher doesn't actually feel bad. I thought it would feel pretty bad to hold and launch, but it doesn't feel bad. Yeah, there's Fornius regularly. I don't have the Slingshot Stadium with me right now. I'll only put him in Slingshot anyway. Normal Stadium. Here we go. I'll just rip. One thing I'm going to say is I don't know how good the power gauge is. That's the only thing I have to say. Okay. So now let's test it with some different things. Okay, let's test it with Artemis. and Apollo. There's Artemis. And now we're going to put in the left spin. Apollo. I felt like Artemis came with the launcher a little weird. Oh! I understand now, and I didn't take out the instructions. Okay, I understand. Okay. The power gauge works completely. So when you launch it, it moves. And then you click this in and it resets. That's why you read the instructions. That makes so much sense. Okay, here we go. So let's do Fornius. So that's a pretty good launch. Let's do Fornius against Fornius. Let's see which one holds up better. I think I'm going to start using the newer one in battle, just purely because of the way it looks. I don't know though. I really like having it double-sided. I think it's a really nice feature to have, because then you don't have to hold it 2 different ways. And it works a lot better. And regular Fornius took that one. Let's do another. Now I actually like the power gauge. I thought the power gauge was a useless feature that was added for marketing, but it actually works. And it really does depend on how hard you launch. Let me just... Pretty strong launch. Let me try it less than Peter's promising. Pretty good launcher. I would rate this launcher a 8 out of 10. I really like the design of the launcher. I feel like the hold could be a little better. And I wish if the QR code was in a different place, but other than the QR code and the hold, this launcher is a solid 8. Maybe even a 9. The power gauge, now that I understand how it works, it's actually really good. So, once again, don't be like me and read the instructions. So the way it works, you pull it, then you press this in to reset it. And it works really well, actually. In a second, we'll do some Beyblade and some Riptide Fornius. The instructions are in here. I probably should have read them. Because, you know, it's good to actually know what you're supposed to be doing before you do it. Boom, okay. So now, and the instructions tell you exactly how to do the power gauge, just so you know. It's right there. Okay, so now let's do a Fornius versus, here, okay, I'm going to launch a Fornius on the Riptide launcher. And then I'm going to launch another one on the Master Kit launcher. We're going to see who wins. Let it rip. We do Sphinx. So this is my power indicator. Got it? That's how strong the launcher has. Fornius took that one. So now we're going to switch up who's where and see if that has an effect on the battle. One thing I do notice immediately is that Maximum Garuda probably will not work on the Riptide launcher. And that's because there's a little wall. So there's a little wall there so that you know where not to hold it, but that does mean that some of the bigger Beyblades, like Air Knight when he comes out, and Maximum Garuda gonna work on this? Will he work? Ooh, okay, barely. But like some Beyblades might run into that. Like, let's see. Let me grab Luminor and see if it'll work. Because I feel like Luminor might have a problem with it. Here, let me grab. Where's the Knight? I feel like some of these Beyblades might have an issue with it. If not now, then in the future. Like, look at how closely he's hitting. Like he's barely hitting it. Oh. That's not good. Luminor just came out of the stadium from the launcher and hit me. Okay, let's try that again. Huh. Luminor is struggling on this launcher. So that's never a good thing. So Luminor seems to not like this launcher. Let's see if one of my red twins is going to work again. Let's try our Fornius and see if he works. Okay, so it looks like this was targeted towards Turbo Beyblades, because the Turbo Beyblades can work just fine on it. I do really enjoy this launcher. I feel like it's a good launcher. Like I said, solid 8 out of 10. I'm going to move it to a 9 for the corniest it comes with, because that's a really nice version of corniest. So yeah, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. One last time, there's the QR code for that. So yeah, see you all later. Bye. In case you thought I wouldn't give you the QR code, here it is. It's beautiful. I know. Get this horniest. You're gonna want it.